Hey, what's up everybody? This is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to move files from your Android phone onto your Linux computer wirelessly, especially if you cannot find proprietary apps specifically for your Android phone to transfer those files. Now, that's going to be very difficult. What I found is a lot of times when you plug in your specific Android phone onto your Linux computer, a lot of times your Linux computer just doesn't recognize the phone, and it's really frustrating to transfer those files onto that computer. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google Play Store. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search and type FTP server. Over here it shows up already. Looks like that is the app that we want on top, Wi-Fi FTP server. And then we're going to install. Okay, done. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to open the FTP Wi-Fi FTP server software. We're going to click start. We're going to allow access to this phone. I'm thinking you could probably just select certain files that you want this to have access to. So we'll click on DCMI, camera. We will click below right here, allow access to DCIM. And then over here, you will see an IP address. This will be your local access network, LAN, short for LAN. So only, theoretically, only you could access it within your own house. And when we use FileZilla, which we're going to be downloading onto our Linux desktop really soon, we'll be able to access our phone, the DCIM folder, with this IP address right here. And when we access access our phone through FileZilla on our Linux, we are going to use user ID Android right here. Our password is going to be Android. And from then on, we will be able to access our files and transfer it to our computer. Okay, back to our desktop computer. What we're going to do is we're going to go to install FileZilla. With the Pop OS, we could access this from the Pop Shop. We'll click that right here. We will type FileZilla. We'll use the graphical version. It'll make it easier. Enter our password. Now we click open. Okay. And from here on out, we will type that FTP address, 192.168.1.3. The username is Android. Password is Android. Port 2221. And then we will click Quick Connect. You don't have to click Save Passwords. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'll just click Do Not Save Password for the time being. Then click OK. Little message here that says does not support FTP over TLS. I think that's a a secure line or something, we'll just go through that anyways. We'll just click OK. And then you can see it right here. AliExpress, camera, Facebook, WeChat. That was under the DCIM folders. We'll go to the camera here. We'll go all the way to the bottom right here. Here is an image file. Let's go to our pictures folder. This part right here is the Linux folder, the Linux computer right here. And we will transfer this to pictures. Let's try to drag that again. Hold on. Right here. Then you can see right here it's transferring. Then we will go to the pictures forum or pictures folder. There's a picture of a pair of shoes that I took. And there you have it. That is how you transfer files from your Android device to your computer. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe. Please leave some comments on the bottom below. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.